Trust is a fundamental requirement in any type of relationship, be it in friendships, romantic connections, or family bonds. Therefore, in this video, we will discuss 10 characteristics of people you should not trust, according to Stoic philosophy. However, it is quite simple. Analyzing their conversations and actions is enough to get an idea of who they are and what their essence is. Before making comments about individuals of this nature and explaining why you should not trust them, please check your subscription to the channel, because in the end, I have something special for you, and as always, stay strong. Let's focus on the first type of person, the narcissists. Stoics remind us that we should not allow the actions of others to affect our inner peace. When dealing with narcissistic individuals, it is important to remain indifferent to their self-centered actions. If someone constantly talks about themselves and disregards others, that person is not trustworthy. Narcissistic individuals often elevate their own image while belittling others, which is an untrustworthy trait. The second type of person is gossipers. Stoics emphasize the necessity of not empowering others' opinions about us. If someone reveals another person's secrets or shares information, it is likely that the same person may do the same to you. Therefore, establishing a trustworthy relationship with someone who engages in gossip is difficult. The third type of person is someone who constantly angers or manipulates you. Stoicism teaches us to focus on our own perceptions rather than giving in to emotional reactions. Understanding the psychological games played by someone who constantly angers you is crucial. Compulsive manipulative behaviors are an untrustworthy trait. The fourth type of person is indecisive individuals. Stoicism encourages focusing on our own decisions and discourages trusting indecisive individuals. Trusting someone who cannot determine a direction in their life and is constantly hesitant is challenging. The fifth type of person is hypocrites. Stoicism suggests developing virtue within ourselves rather than worrying about others' actions. Hypocritical individuals may seem to like you but can gossip behind your back. The sixth type of person is the curious ones. Stoicism emphasizes the importance of sharing information cautiously. Insatiable curiosity can lead to the disclosure of harmful information. If someone is constantly overly curious about you, trusting that person can be difficult. The seventh type of person is those who try to be friends with everyone. Stoics highlight the importance of developing uniqueness rather than seeking universal approval. Approaching someone who gets along with everyone and wants to be popular with skepticism is important. The eighth type of person is constant critics. Stoics suggest improving our character instead of criticizing others. Establishing a trustworthy relationship with someone who constantly criticizes can be challenging. The ninth type of person is those who constantly involve themselves in problems. Stoics advise taking responsibility for our decisions and emotions instead of blaming circumstances. Approaching someone who deals with constant problems with caution is important. The 10th type of person is those who pretend to listen to what you say. Stoics guide us to be strong and steer away from enriching conversations. If someone is only playing a role and not truly listening, trusting that person can be difficult. In conclusion, analyzing these different types of individuals helps us build more authentic and meaningful relationships. By embracing Stoic teachings, we learn to maintain inner peace, develop virtue, practice uniqueness, and use self-control in challenging situations. If these tips were helpful for you, please don't forget to like and comment. Remember that you are a vital part of this channel. Stay strong and continue moving towards victory. Thank you for your attention.